Yes, Macro had quite a busy start here in Mumbai, which has all decked up to welcome him all across the road. Every few meters, we see huge posters of Macron and Modi lining up on the roads everywhere. So Macron started his day by paying tribute to the victim of 2008 terrorist attack here in Mumbai, in which more than 170 people were killed. And then he had lunch with Bollywood actors and directors. Remember, Mumbai is also home to the world-famous Bollywood film industry. After that, he is expected to start the bilateral talks with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi here where we are at the governor's residence. And also later on, they will jointly inaugurate India-France Year of Innovation 2026 and will be meeting business leaders, startups, innovators and researchers from both countries. So it is a very packed day for Macron, as all eyes are on the two leaders to see what they will be agreeing upon during their talks.
Yeah, tell us, Navedita, a bit more about the business side of it, because of course the visit is very much about that, isn't it?
Yeah, both the leaders will hold discussions across a wide spectrum of areas, including energy, technology, defense, and military. They will also discuss global and regional issues, including the expansion of China in the Indo-Pacific region, where it has been expanding aggressively. And it is in the interest of both the countries to contain China's growing influence. The leaders will also then, after the bilateral talks, we will know the details, but it's the most important highlight of Macron's visit. Indian Defense Ministry just a few days ago announced that they have cleared the path for the purchase of 114 Rafale fighter jets at a cost of over 30 billion euros. It's very important for the Indian Air Force to boost its depleting strength of fighter jets. Also, they will be discussing the other cooperation areas in energy and renewable energy and technology share. So it's a high-stake meeting between the two leaders, Macron and Modi. But one point that Modi will be insisting is about his Made in India policy, where he's looking for and negotiating that half of the Rafale agreed should be produced and built in India with locally sourced materials. So later on the day, after the press release, we will know the outline of the agreement and what agreements they have signed or agreed on. So both the leaders after Mumbai will head directly to the capital, New Delhi, where high-stake AI Impact Summit is happening.